Hello everyone, this is Amrita and you are watching the channel Pankhudi Mehandi. I welcome you all to the 6th basic henna class of this channel. If you are a beginner and want to know how to habituate your hand to the henna cone, then this video is a must watch video. As you can see here, I have used the pencil drawn layout as a base on which I am practicing with the henna cone. I am drawing the lines on the previously drawn lines. Okay, so these layouts, how to prepare these layouts and how to handle the henna cone, to draw a line and all other basic elements like circle, like spiral or oval, whatever it is. Or if you want to know how to draw it with the henna cone, then video number 5 is a must watch video. And if you want to know about all these layouts, then first 3 videos you must watch. Then and then only you will come to know where I brought these layouts from. Okay, finally it looks like this. Now the second one is big circles layout. Okay, so here I am practicing with the henna cone. See, through this initial practice you are not going to learn henna drawing or henna art or the henna shapes. This layout, all these layouts are just to make your hand comfortable to handle the henna cone. Okay. As you can see, no circle is in perfect circular shape. So here, by working on these layouts, by practicing on these layouts, you are bringing your mind and your hand, your fingers into the state of continuity, and that's the only purpose of it. In the same manner, you have to practice half circles and small circles in this peacock design. See you again. Bye bye.